I see you. Yes, you. Welcome back to my channel. I'm going to show you one of the ways I like to jazz up my ponytails. And first of all, this is going to be a ponytail that's to the side because in all honesty, I love my side ponytails. I think they're great for videos and pictures because you can actually see it. I just want to cry so many times when I see pictures of myself and my ponytail is to the back and you can't see all my hard work. So yeah, not ideal. This one's going to be to the side. So basically I'm going to do some simple twists at the front to spice things up and give it some detail to make the style more interesting. So we're going to start off by sectioning the hair at the front. I'm doing these twists at an angle which, again, besides the fact that it's just far more interesting to look at, when front twists are at an angle on your head instead of just straight back, you can see it way better. So as you can see, the ponytail and the hair scooped into the ponytail at the back is still super messy, so don't worry about that. We're going to fix those flyaways and the frizzy parts at the end. I just tend to focus on the front first and getting those twists down before tackling the back. For the next part, the best way to learn is to just watch how I'm twisting my hair back and placing it. So let me just take this moment to ask that you please subscribe to my channel. It means the world to me. And if you really want to be my friend, then drop a comment below. Your support and thoughts and engagement goes so far. And it also means you won't miss any of my new uploads. Okay, so we're going to take a small piece of hair from the ponytail and wrap it around the elastic to give it a more seamless look. I love doing that too because it sort of props up your ponytail as well. Again, this is all about having your plait visible and showing it off. So if it's drooping or falling flat, that just totally defeats the point. I'm just quickly smoothing down the sides and laying those edges. I keep it super simple and I use Eco Styling Gel and my water spray bottle, but just use whatever edge control you like and whatever works for your hair. After that, we're going to go and plait the ponytail. Now, this is a very simple braid. You can actually do whatever braid you like, whether it's a fish plait or 2-3 strand braids, it's totally up to you. But what I will say is that aesthetically, this kind of style really does suit jumbo braids, and I think they're everything right now. And if you really want that full body look to your plait, just remember to not plait too tightly and to lift your elbows up so that you're not dragging your plait down or letting it droop. Voila, we are done. You guys are awesome. Thanks for sticking with me to the end. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. You guys are the bomb. I'll see you next time.